my name is Casey Gomez, and I will be teaching you how to make a friendship flower. First, what you want to do is have a popsicle stick with a paper circle glued on the end of it. And what you want to do from here is write down the name of one of your friends, and then go from there. So what I will be doing is, I'll just make up a friend named Bob. So I have Bob written down on my circle. And what you want to do next is get your petals and write down what you like about your friend. And then glue it onto the back of the flower so it looks like a neat little flower like this. So I'll write down that they're nice. So he's nice. And then I'll take my glue stick and I'll glue it right onto the back. Right there. This side. And then now there's a petal on the back that says that Bob is nice. And then I can do that with each of the rest of my petals. So I'll write that he is smart. He's smart. Glue it again on the back. And once you get all the petals on, then you put it into the cup, which there will be a slit in the top of it. And then once you get all your petals, then it'll end up looking like this.